What's up, everybody? It's Vince for the hashtag Very Cool Guys. What's up, Very Cool Gang? I told you I would update you a little bit, and I'll show you what we're doing.
We had to remove part of the back wrap, and basically we're hanging new vinyl wallpaper in this area, new graphics. Oh, they're all lined up like little soldiers, ready to receive their adhesive and put them in place. But we had some patching to take care of, and some sanding to do, and then we'll put up the new graphics.
It's been smooth sailing so far, but I'll check back with you in a few minutes.
We got Mikey J Bone. He's sanding with the Porter table. Dustless sander. Got to keep the dust down on the store. Prepping those patches.
Yeah.
First sheet up. Only 5 more to go.
Going up one sheet at a time. We got George is going up on the wall. We got George. We're covering up George that was over there. We got George over here. We got George everywhere, but it's going up. But there's no time for live streaming. I had to make a video, so.
Sheets up. 3 more sheets to go.
Yo, I'm wearing a white shirt tonight. I'm actually working with the boys.
In the morning. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. The boys got all the papers up, signs back up, the back wrap is going back together. Papers up, looks great. Just didn't have time for the live stream tonight. Sorry, guys. And now, the next thing that's got to go up is the door over here. We had to take the door down for some clearance, and then all we got to do after that is clean up, and then some graphics got to go up. So, see you soon.
You really want to know?
Just hanging some graphics now. That's it. I'm beat. The boys are beat. Graphics are all up. The signage gets hung in the morning. The frame for the signage. That's it. We're all done here.
Give you a look. It's George Washington. He's our first president. Back wraps all back together. Store's all cleaned up.
We're out of here. Pretty successful for first time working for Five Below. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.